This video will show you how to schedule a new appointment. You can see appointments right here from the calendar, but the first step we need to do is to add a new client, which is in a different video. Once we have a client, we can go to New Appointment, select a client from the drop-down menu. If I pick Candace, the provider is indicated here. You can book on behalf of other providers. We would then add the reason for visiting, the discipline, and the location. I, however, am rather lazy and think that's a lot of work. So we can save that information within a client's profile. Some clients, when you select them, additional information will show up. If you have a person on a prior authorization, their prior authorization details will appear automatically to give you an idea of how this client is currently reporting on the number of sessions they have received, how many sessions are remaining, and how many weeks remain in their authorization period. I can pick a date. We can do recurring appointments on a weekly and bi-weekly basis. So I can select weekly and say this is going to be for 12 appointments. We can see that this last appointment will be on that date. The appointment color. If you wish to set the color of the appointment on the calendar, you can select that here. What that does is if I go back, that will look like this. This would be the appointment color set as red. The default is the gray. Next, let's set the time. We're going to do this appointment at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and that is all. You can select submit, but there are also text and appointment reminders. I can select the text message reminder, and if I did send at 24 hours or 1 hour, the text messages will go out automatically for every appointment. Same thing with email. There is one fun thing with emails, and is that if I select an email, we are able to add additional information into that email field, as well as uploading attachments. All of this information will be shown in the email to the client. One last thing is if the client does not have a valid phone number on file, let's find somebody with the messed up phone number. There will be a check to indicate you will need to repair or correct or add that phone number before a text message can be submitted. Thank you.